Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I will be showing you how you can reset your quality advanced S2 decoder. So maybe the channels have messed up or you are facing some difficulties on your decoder and you need to reset it to factory default, scan back to get your channels to check the problem that is actually interfering with your viewing experience. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on your remote, and it's going to take you to the menu, and from the menu here use the arrow left and right keys and then look for utilities. So you find utility over here, and on the utility page you come down to the second option, which is factory resets, and you press OK on it. So on this page it's requesting for the default password or the passcode of the advanced S2 decoder, and every satellite receiver we have a default passcode which is supposed to be 4 zeros, 4 ones, or 1 2 3 4. So if no one have ever changed it, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 4 zeros to actually confirm whatever you want to do with it, and then you need to press OK to actually confirm that you are sure to reset your decoder. So you press OK on it, and then you wait for it to actually reboot, for you to get everything fresh on your quality advanced S2 decoder. So here the decoder, they have programmed it to actually do an auto search whenever you are to reboot it, and in case you select the Astra 2A to install it, whenever you reboot it, it's gonna automatically reset it. But if you select a different satellite, it will not be able to proceed with the auto search. So here it's automatically scanning it for you to get a fresh channels on it. So that's it. Now you have access to a new user interface to do whatever you want to do on your decoder. Every setting will be gone except that they have rescanned your channels for you, and you are good to go. So if this video has been helpful and you're new, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.